how to find comment, likes and pins notifications settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find comment, likes and pins notifications settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and then you will find your profile here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click the storylines in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and then just click here. Just click this one, notifications, and then you will see post, stories and comments. Click on it. Now just scroll down, here you will find it. Just scroll down until you find comments, likes and pins. That's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.